Let's talk about something that has been bothering me as well as a lot of content creators across YouTube, and that is the lack of views. It probably gets so bad you're wondering if YouTube is for you. You feel even worse when you think that you have put your heart and soul into creating a content that you believe will resonate with your audience, but for some reason, you're just not getting the views you think you deserve. Please don't make the same mistakes I have been making, and watch as your views on your videos improve in no time. Watch through to the end, because any one of these can make the difference for you. Here are the 5 most common reasons why you don't get views on YouTube. First off, your content simply isn't optimized for search. This means ensuring that your video meets the right conditions so that it is ranked high in search. You can be creating amazing videos, but they are not being seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in them, resulting in you not getting any views. To improve your discoverability, make sure to use as much relevant keywords in your video titles, description, and tags as possible. If your videos are not optimized for search engines, they may not appear in search results. Secondly, many of us are not getting views on YouTube because we just don't stand out. If you really want to get thousands of views, you have to set yourself apart from all your competitors. Your title, thumbnail, and video has to stand out. If you are not doing something unique, you have to give viewers a reason to want to click on your video, instead of all the other videos that they are seeing. But that's really not enough. You have to create a video that is so engaging your viewers will want to watch through to the end, and whenever they see another video from you, they will want to watch it as well. That way, your videos can have a high click-through rate and average view duration, increasing the chances of YouTube algorithms sharing your content. Thirdly, you're in an overly competitive niche, or your niche is just too broad. If you're in a niche that is crowded with content creators, it can be really difficult for you to stand out. Consider finding a niche or a unique angle for your content that sets you apart from others. Also, if your niche is too broad, this can be a negative thing for new content creators, because your viewers may not stick around if they are not interested in other content you are producing. You can widen your niche after you have created a community of loyal supporters.
To serve the most despicable master they could find.
The fourth reason is you're not doing the legwork, you're not promoting your videos. One of the most common reasons for not getting views is the lack of promotion. If you're not promoting your videos on social media or other platforms, it can be very difficult for people to discover your content, and it is possible that your videos won't reach your intended target audience. Even if you're creating great content, you still need to promote your videos to get them in front of the right people. Even the greatest YouTubers like Mr. Beast and YouTube educators like VidIQ are doing this. Why aren't you? You cannot simply upload a video and expect it to go viral. That being said, there's no magic formula to getting views on YouTube, but by addressing these possible issues, you may be able to increase your views on YouTube. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, practice, and a lot of trial and error. Keep working hard. Don't lose sight of your vision. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Hey, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did, and subscribe for more content like this and content geared towards your personal development.